the night show. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's my privilege. Now I'm in Bami. You accept the award this evening on the night show. Jehovah will bless you for everyone in Jesus' name. So, welcome to the night show. My name is Doktor. So, Maru send for me. I for yemi tang in mini paper. You tang the middle yemufo. Yaik boko is a mimufekane, the perform for a coding and I haven't borrow. So, but before Nina haven't borrow, I'm in Barry Bongas studio to my left hand side. We know me keregeneru. Onto my right hand side, I'm gonna go to we know Jesus Christ ke human cross. I get surrounded by two teeth. So the right teeth I don't make it neru. The left teeth I don't make it easy bit. So easy bit, welcome to the show. That's supposed to come in here.
Hey. So if you do Wakoyo, we're working at a nice show. I'm really do there. So based on tradition, how are we wear? We no cake, guys. So. Show today. No. Afam can not want to do. I want to cut them here with our able DJ and what DJ Easy Beat. You know, say you talk something about cross. About cross, Jesus Christ. You know, say people the always talk say famzin, not they pay. So famzin. What it be famzin? Define the term famzin.
Thank you very much, Mr. Moderator, for that your question. Since from time immemorial, the word famzin amado in existence from the Greek and the Roman Empire, all the way back to 1197 BC. And one very old man, you know, in the cottage of St. Diamond, in the Roman Empire. So, the man was walking down the street. I can get one man, St. Famsa. So, you be mumu as well. You know, it can't happen to go answer your question. You could not say the person don't make sense, but the confidence.
The confidence. You know, when you can see him talk that cross on the cover, the thief on the right. Now, you know, say people when they go see, some people say, this girl, every time she's always snapping with every celebrity. I've seen her snap with Katim. I've seen her snap with Easy Beat. I've seen her snap with this one. I've seen her snap with the Banj. She's always famsing people. Famsing they pay sometimes. Because in the Bible, you see, then they say, this one, everything done the Bible. You don't get anything where would they do now? We're not the Bible. Famsing the Bible.
So who farms for the Bible?
Now, for the cross of Calvary, Jesus Christ there in the middle. One thief there the right, one thief there the left. Now the other thief where there the right. So come tell Jesus. Say, nah, Jesus. If you know you are the Son of God, why don't you disappear? Come down from this cross if you know you are truly the Son of God.
Which one? You talk the left or the right?
I don't know. Somebody for inside the two.
One of the two.
One of the two, left or right. Choose one.
Okay.
Then the other guy went to the other side and said, wherefore keep your mouth quiet there. You don't know this guy. Hey! Bad shot guy.
Very good
guy. So. See, now we thief. This guy, he not do anything.
Confirm guy.
Confirm guy.
Okay.
He don't know Jesus. Jesus never talked before. Now confirm guy be this guy. You see, now Jesus, now born that guy na idiot. Now when you go to heaven now, remember me. Chop, the guy farms him pay. When Jesus Christ tell us, say, don't worry. Today you are going to be with me in paradise.
That's the
guy now get self-content for heaven.
We there, they try to book our ticket.
We see.
Because when see that guy not talk.
As if that guy not talk.
He don't go straight.
So famzing, he pays.
As the talk finish, then.
That guy for heaven now, he gets self-contained. Two girls there where they always serve am food.
Okay. One black and white TV and the other one color TV.
The guy they enjoy now for heaven. I don't know.
Yours because he farms.
Just because of saying he farms. I don't know whether are two girls. I don't remove that part. The guy they heaven now.
They farm.
They farm. They enjoy life.
So who we go farms?
So farms. We go farms. Buhari. No, Buhari. You know, say Buhari is they strict. Where if you not send us.
No, if you not send
we go farms.
You know, say now he don't they telling people say may they know use siren anyhow.
If person if telling family members may they not come out so rock. Waiting we go, we will not be
and if you do anyhow,
you do it now, we share now. Anyhow, una welcome on top of the night show for today. Will be 7th of May 2015. May Katima an easy bit. We are here as usual.
The three of us, the Avengers,
yes.
The three trio.
Yes. 3 Musketeers.
Jace.
3 months.
Peter, Paul, and Pan.
Barnabas. Peter, Paul, and Barnabas. Anyway, today for start the night show for today. This one, not only when it be say happen for inside the Lagos.
What? No be a Jigbo side.
A Jigbo.
Why all the bad? You know say everything.
Most of the bad thing for this Lagos, that a Jigbo area.
One woman buy somebody here because he owe her money
for a Jigbo.
Now this one again.
One guy. In our pay
no
for a Jigbo. I don't understand. I'm not going to talk that thing for this full month of this May. And I will stick to it. I don't know. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Are you with me?
I am with you. I am with you.
Now, this man na pastor for inside the Jigbo. Not be in one of him a member. Timothy Gabriel from the pastor is say false prophet. Pastor don't run with church members money. Now, the name of the pastor na Timothy Gabriel from Ihite, Anambra State. Now the guy comes as an Igbo man. Now be in member
Igbo man.
Igbo man.
Hey.
Pastor for a member of church can't carry money. Go meet pastor. Say man of God, please pray for me. This is 10 million naira. I want to use it and start my business. Pastor, pray for me. Now pastor can say okay. Don't worry, I will pray over this money. He can go and come back. My brother.
So he leaves the money with the pastor?
When the guy come back, he not see church, he not see pastor.
Church don't close. You don't move to the permanent side.
Pastor don't shout grace.
On the guy behalf.
Pastor Fante.
No, you don't move to the permanent side.
As the flow talks so now, they look for that pastor. So please, if you know Pastor Gabriel.
Why are you calling them?
But in the day here now.
No, Nerico don't change his name by that time.
No, you don't change. Timothy Gabriel from Ihite, from Anambra State.
No, you don't change his name. Now, it could be Chukwu Emeka.
No, in name now, you don't change your name now. Mbredia la bossa balidiegu.
Ordinary.
In name, orderly, and.
That one happened only in Naija. This one will happen for London.
What happened for London?
How can man and woman, when married themselves, decide to see maybe somebody like ECB like this, they waka, they just hold them. From 13 years old to 24 years old, they just hold and put inside house. They no cream go outside, they no cream see outside. Now one day, yours look. They know they look them.
No, Nigeria doctor.
Ah, okay now. They just hold the boy 24 years as houseboy. Now only houseboy they do. After they smuggle him into London as a picky. See this kind of man for now. If you see him, you could think say him and that's a madam where they work if do this kind of thing.
But people wicked, How many years?
And in them na Calabar man, okay, Emmanuel it.
Hey!
60 years old. Hey. And his wife, Antaned, Ado, 58 years old. How can they disgrace our culture like this? Oh my God, Ado. Oh, I'm not from there right now. No.
Anyway, we're done here already. But for today's show, you know, say we start topic yesterday. We discussed that topic yesterday. But because of say we get guests from AVF, we're not going to talk about them much. We'll be supposed to get those guests. They're not going to show early. But as they come now, because they made them talk. Most of them are not vexed, will not discuss that matter. But today on, we go show now what we go discuss today. We gonna read them. When we come back, we go continue on top of the matter. Read what you want to talk. Today's topic.
Read it very well. If not you,
what are you going to do?
You are picking. What you go do?
Read them. Will they come back?
It be like all the pretty girls with you low. It be like every day B.I. from the world cry 2 or 3 girls that y'all bingo. For El Gringo, for my dingo. Me then chino, maybe a jingo. So for disco, I know be stable. She fed to toe, she just yo. Go, with a vision blow. So, lay, here we go. I'm a mingo, single, say no to swallow, no yo, hello, here you go. If you say my na me and nabo, do a threshold, limo numero uno. Your dimple lips in your nipple, like a yaga me hollering a Gino. Okay, let's make a video, I gon' make it famous, but I know the Gino.
Now, if you just join us, the topic where we go discuss today now I don't see so. In case you know to your eye they not to do one kind to read, make we read them for you.
Jeez.
One girl, fine girl, tomato juice, Hello,
I could read the message there.
Now, this girl, their house, she they cook for her mama and papa. She come mistakenly think say, okay, she want send text message. She come mistakenly go send the text message to her papa. Now, Katim, read the text message which she sent to her boyfriend.
Hello, sweet baby. I will not agree to abort this pregnancy. You know, if I abort this pregnancy, it will be the 10th pregnancy that I will abort for you. But don't worry. Right now, as I did so, I dey prepare my papa and my mama food. I could poison them so that two of us could like this inherit their property for ourselves alone. I love you there.
In case you don't aware, see the matter now. Girl, she dey send text to her boyfriend, thinking she dey mistakenly send text to her papa, thinking that the boyfriend she dey send them to.
You know, say that kind phone, like
it happen.
You can one stop the send button, say
you
yeah.
Don't go.
Hey.
You don't go.
You don't go.
She mistakenly sent text to her papa, thinking her boyfriend. The text now say, "Hello, sweetheart. I will not agree. I will not agree to abort this belle for you. If I abort them, now the 10th time where I go don't do abortion for you be that. But no worry. I dey cook food for my mama and papa now. I go poison them so that when they die, me and you now go come take care of the house. The property go come become our own. Then we can continue now to live husband and wife. Before the guy they like give her say money not day for them to marry. Say they not go fit handle any picking matter, so therefore make them come out time. But they go see they do. Belle go enter again. So she now don't bring this idea. The papa. Call read text message, wait here. Hey! Hey! So now the question we are asking you now, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. After we don't go break, come back. Twitter message, send us. If now you be the mama and papa of this girl, 10th belle, where she don't do abortion.
Meanwhile, you're picking every day, go come out for house, I go church, daddy and mommy. I'm going to a weekly fellowship. I'm going to Bible study. I'm going to Digging Deep. I'm going to praise the Lord. I've heard caption. Monday to Friday, and you go church. Then this is the 10th belly when you want to come.
If now you, what are you going to do? Anyway, easy to play for us. When we come back, we'll go begin taking our phone calls on top of this matter.